Hey, what's up, guys? So let's create a logo. You know, logo for free. You don't have to pay anyone. You don't have to be a designer to do this. You don't have to know anyone to ask for favors or to do anything. But all you have to do is just take matters into your own hands and make a logo for yourself. And you can do a lot, man. You can customize a YouTube and customize your YouTube channel. You put a banner on it, you put a thumbnail. You can do a lot on this. So the site is called canva.com. So I'm going to log on to my account right now so that we can see what we can do inside here. So I am on here, so I'm going to log in. So we are inside, guys, here. So we're going to look around on this website and actually see what actually we can do here. I know. So it's just that it's taking a little bit. It's taking some time to load. I know. Okay, we can just okay. So here we are inside here. So let's see if we can create a logo. All right. So here, okay. So these are the templates right here. You can see what you can actually do, the features. You can learn from here. The pricing. So the pricing, there is a free one, there is a pro, there is an enterprise, education, and non-profit. So you can look up to those when you are taking things into your own hands and actually getting to know this side. So for now, we're going to try and create a logo. So I'm just going to click onto this here, onto that logo right there. Then we're going to see what we're going to come up with and see if we can be able to create a logo, guys. So this is a blank page, which is something like that, but it's just that my internet is a little bit slow, guys, so you will bear with me on that one. It's just taking a little bit longer than I expected. So okay, let's try this one. So you get to put this here. You probably like the dog, or probably don't like the dog. So what you can do, you can change that. You click on it, then you can type whatever you like on it. Say it, I'm the dog. Okay, let's delete that one. I'm the dog. You see, then we're going on to there. Gonna see this one, yeah. So delete that one. So that's definitely, and now you got a logo right now. So you can do okay, guys, so you can do a lot of stuff on this logo. So you can change the color, you can move these right here, you can just do whatever you like. You can increase, you can try to increase it and to be a little bit bigger. Alright, so you can change the colors. You can see which color you actually like to change right here. You can see how does this one look, how does this one look, how does this one look, how does that one look, how does that default color. You can put on to some pinkish. That one thing that looks good. Right then, so we can go on to some element right there and see what we can put on here. Okay, so we can see this one, so we can try to reduce that a little bit, then we can put it right there. All right. I think this one, man, is really coming out very great. And then you can see what you can actually do. So you can add a lot of stuff to here, and you can then put maybe another text. Put some text somewhere. So you can just put in add there. Keep guarding, you know, or something like that. So let me say keep calm. I got your back. You know most dogs, they're very loyal, so this is kinda like that. So let's try to open it up so it can be a little bit bigger. Let's move it a little bit. Yes, centered right there. Yeah, so what we can do now, we're going to download it. I think we're done right now. So you can put it on PNG, so you download it. So it's going to prepare it, and then we're going to have our logo done. And then that's it, our logo is done. And then let's review it and see how does it look. Then it's just going to show up right now in just a few seconds, and then boom, we got a logo. It's right there, man. So you cannot say you need somebody to pay for your logo, you're gonna do anything like that. This is what you get, man. Free website, free logo, and then you get up there and then you do your thing, and you make that money. So guys, thanks for watching, and then I will definitely see you on the next one, where we learn something new and we can see that we can make some money without spending too much money. So this is what, guys, so please like this video and subscribe onto this channel for